Tish's Nutritious Lifestyle channel. Subscribe. This is a video demonstration of vegan pumpkin soup, Jamaican style. Stay tuned. Start off by prepping all of the vegetables, all of which will be listed below in the description box. Start off by cutting up the corn to get it cooked. You can do this in a pressure cooker, a steamer, or on your stovetop, just as long as your corn is soft. Here I have onion, turmeric, garlic, and carrots, which will be added to a pot of water along with the cooked corn and pimento seeds. As soon as the water begins to boil and all the spices are infused in it, I'm adding in the cut up pumpkins here. I want my pumpkins to cook out into the water to form a nice rich body. After the pumpkins have been cooking for several minutes until they're very soft, I add in some ground provisions, which simply is some yam and potatoes. Cover this to cook for several minutes until the food is cooked, and then I'll be adding in some dumplings, which are a mixture of whole wheat flour, salt, and water kneaded into a dough and formed into flat discs. I mean, if you don't know dumplings, I'm just saying, if you don't know how to do it, if you're new to the Jamaican cooking style, that's how we make dumplings. And then I just move them around in the pot, shake it up a bit until the dumplings are covered. Finally, I am adding in okra, scallion and thyme, and a Scotch bonnet pepper. Remember that the full recipe is in the description box below this video so that you can easily follow along. Allow this to cook for final minutes until the herb and spices are infused into the wholeness of the soup, and then it is done and we're ready to serve. My soup is a little bit on the thicker side, which I like it, but you can add more water if you prefer yours to be lighter. Serve and enjoy. Thank you for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and subscribe to my channel for more recipes and delights. And until next time, eat well, walk good.